Up until now, they've only been able to do linear measurements, which don't compare with the new advanced product features from Promeasure, which is so much more advanced. Has a wheel for measuring and a small level is what you can see here. The cool thing, and what most people really like about it that are out in the field, is there's no more having to write down notes or bending over or climbing ladders or dealing with collapsible metal rulers. And you don't have to have a couple people out there. I mean, one guy can do it. It's got a red laser dot, so it's easy to see inside or outside. Another really cool feature about this, it has a 1/4-inch tripod screw hole for even more accuracy. So the surveyors, the guys out in the field, again, another tremendous bonus.